Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to learn about the brachialis muscle. Let's get started. The brachialis is a muscle visible on the side of our upper arm. It originates halfway down, all along the front and side of the humerus. It inserts into the front upper section of the ulna. The brachialis has a relationship to the other arm muscles. The insertion point of the deltoid meets the top side portion of the brachialis. The biceps sit on top of the brachialis, completely covering over the portion on the front of the arm. The triceps border the back edge of the brachialis. The supinator group originates behind the brachialis, but spirals forward, covering up its bottom portion. This means that the brachialis will only be visible in this small section of the side of the arm, between the bicep and the tricep. Because the deltoid inserts right above the brachialis, in most cases they will appear to literally sit on top of where the brachialis starts. However, the middle deltoid muscle fibers are woven in a complex system. Because of this, it is possible for the deltoids to appear as though they spiral forward to insert in front of the brachialis. Either way you draw it can be accurate, depending on what the surface anatomy shows you. Because the brachialis anchors to the humerus and acts on the ulna, if it contracts, it will flex the lower arm or pull it up. This action pulls directly on the hinge joint of the ulna, creating a strong and stable movement. Now let's find the brachialis on the surface. This shadow running down the arm here indicates the back edge of the bicep, sitting on the front of the brachialis. This shadow indicates the tricep muscles sitting just behind the brachialis. This large mass coming from the clavicle is the deltoids, inserting right on top of the brachialis. This thick shape here is the supinators, covering the bottom of the brachialis and originating from behind it. This area here is where we will see the brachialis most visible, between the bicep and tricep. We can also see the deltoid sitting on top of the brachialis here. But in this model, we can see the deltoid above the brachialis, but appearing to spiral and insert in front of it. This is due in part to the twisted pose of the arm, but also in this model's specific anatomy. Remember all of these points when drawing the brachialis. Analyze the anatomy on the surface of your reference, and draw from observation and memory to help you learn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.